New project present unboxing temperature calibrator and how to use. Hello everyone, good day and welcome back to my channel. In this occasion, I will review a temperature calibrator. What is temperature calibrator? Temperature calibrator is a precision instrument used to measure, calibrate and simulate temperature sensors and transmitters such as thermocouples, thermometer, thermistors and RTDs in a liquid-free enclosure for both accuracy and reliability. Mostly, temperature calibrator used for safety device tests for machineries. We got here today the temperature calibrator by NAGMAN with the model 6508. How is the review and how to use? Let's get to the point. Let's go. Overview of temperature calibrator. Following is the construction of temperature calibrator NAGMAN 6508. Main switch to power on or off. Heater fuse. Transformer fuse. Voltage selector switch and control fuse. The dry block temperature calibrator consists of a portable metal insert with pre-drilled holes to insert sensors for measurement purposes. There must be optimum thermal contact between the metal insert and the sensor for secure measurement of the temperature sensor. Switch test PID controller to apply set point and maintaining stable heating temperature. Heater block to raise the temperature. Insertion tubes or sleeve. Tool for insertion tube. Test lead. Main cable. How to use temperature calibrator. How to use temperature calibrator for accuracy test of RTDs sensor PT100. Prepare the sensor to be tested. Multi-tester and proper size of insertion sleeve to fit to sensor sensing body. Use sleeve inserting tool to insert insertion sleeve to the heating block. Insert RTD sensor to the insertion sleeve. Plug main cable, connect test lead of multi-tester to RTD sensor terminal. Lead cable connection are between lead wire 1 and lead wire 2 or 3. Power on the instrument and switch multi-tester selector switch to ohm. To apply desired temperature set point, press start button and up or down button. At this time, setting temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Wait temperature of the heating block to increase and compare the temperature indicated at PID display with resistance value at the multi-tester display. Use temperature and resistance table for platinum or PT100 to compare between temperature and resistance. Also, you can download the temperature resistance calculator file for free. Click the link on the description below for download free file. For details about how to use the calculator, please watch unboxing the kit resistance box and how to use. In accordance to the PT100 table, the value for 100 degrees Celsius is 138.5 ohm, and it is equivalent with the result of the test. In order to make sure the accuracy of the tested RTD, take several measurements. The second set point applied is 120 degrees Celsius. As per the calculation, the resistance value is 146.07 ohm for 120 degrees Celsius, and it is equivalent with the test result. Third set point is 90 degrees Celsius. At this time, 3 measurements used to accuracy test for the RTDs. As per the calculation, the resistance value is 134.71 ohm for 90 degrees Celsius, and it is equivalent with the test result, which is 134.7 ohm. From 3 data together, it is confirmed that the accuracy of RTD PT100 is under good condition. In completion of the accuracy test, switch off multitester. Then, for temperature calibrator, it is necessary to be cooled down by reducing temperature setting to 0. Never attempt to switch off temperature calibrator in high temperature. Always leave temperature calibrator temperature fall down to room temperature before switched off. Actual temperature calibrator working operation. And then how to use this calibrator? At first, select the proper sleeve to be inserted. This sensor, this one is the most proper. So I think this one is the most proper. This sleeve can fit to this sensor. This sensor is RTD PT100. So, insert in the sleeve to the heater. Place the sensor to the sleeve. Since this sensor is PT100, so we use this Fluke 789 and then or any multitester because we are measuring the ohm or resistance. The initial resistance is 110.9. Next, insert the power cable in source, power on. Then select the selector straight and make sure it is 220 here ready, and then press the on button. Okay, now ready. Switch on. As you can see in the display, it indicate the temperature. Can increase the temperature by pressing this marking, star marking. Increase. We will put to 100. Okay, now setting is 100. Okay, so waiting until 100. It takes times. I think that's all my video about review and how to use temperature calibrator NAGMAN model 6508. If you think that my video is useful, consider for subscribing my channel. It is win-win benefit for both of us. Please remember that sharing knowledge is the easiest way to do charity. Therefore, please click like, subscribe, and share button. Thank you for your subscription. See you in another video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. If you think that my video is useful, please consider for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your kind support. Your subscription surely will be watering my channel to grow up. Terima kasih di Antonio Project.